Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to lower your temps on your Mac.
25.
So it's at 25 Celsius right now. So it's climbing. So basically we're gonna go to power saver, system preferences, energy saver, and we're gonna disable automatic graphics and switching. Make sure it's checked off. So the way you do that is go in here and put in your password, uncheck that. You don't want this on because it'll offload the CPU. You don't want that. Boom. Now we can surf the internet, on YouTube. Let's see how hot it gets. It's getting hotter. Max if you're stress test.
26.
Getting hotter. Let's see how to do this. Terminal. Oh, that's an infinite loop. It's getting hotter and hotter. CPU's getting hotter and hotter. Mine is i7, graphic card getting hotter. SSD is keeping 64 Celsius. 31. It's a pretty cold day. Hasn't gotten really hot. So it's pretty good for now. The wireless module I don't use anymore. I use something else. I got myself a mini dongle for the Wi-Fi because it doesn't quite work. So yeah.